have been through all the bad hair extensions, okay? The ratty shit that's out there. You know, extensions, how they're made, it might hurt your heart to hear what I'm going to say. But a lot, probably 90% of the hair that you see in the US is from trash. Like literally hair picked off combs, hair that's been swept up, hair that's been in drains. And what they do is they put an acidic wash on it. They strip off the outer cuticle and then they put a silicone on top and they sell it to you. Okay. It's only going to last about 3 months because there's no cuticle protecting it. All right. When you become a member and you buy the Swan Method course, you will get access to my hair at a very affordable price. I'm not selling it for a shit ton of money, all right? I want you to learn the Swan Method and I want you to install the most beautiful hair. Now, if your client wants to go on the cheaper route or says, I'm gonna bring in my own stuff, like you just cannot guarantee it because there is hair out there that is cuticle intact. However, they don't mention this, is that the cuticles are all messed up. Okay, that means the cuticle, one of them's going this way, one of them's going this way. And what happens is when they rub together, they cause tangles within the first day. So you might say, oh, this is cuticle intact hair. And then after 1 day, you'll realize that it's knotty as shit. And when it's knotty, and I've seen this in Facebook groups, they're like, oh, we'll just put an oil on it or just do this. No, there is nothing you can do. You bought real bad hair. Yeah. There's nothing. It's end of story, end of the road.